Let's take a look at the practices in intervention design. Everything about an intervention should be consistently directed towards outcomes. Unfortunately, the objectives of the intervention and its design are often in conflict. The most flagrant violation of this practice occurs when, for example, a group wanting to engage in more effective collaboration is forced to sit through an 1 hour lecture from a leader on how to engage in collaboration. Instead, if collaboration is the goal, participants should be given the opportunity to practice it from the start. The point is that the design of the session should model what's expected out of it. If the change is the goal, then each meeting has the opportunity to reinforce it through the structure of the meeting agenda.